In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter accounts and beginning or opening balances in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a new account and record its starting balance so your books are accurate from day one. Let's start inside QuickBooks Online. From your main dashboard, look for the gear icon, which is the settings menu, usually in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click that, and from the options that appear, choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your accounts live, such as bank accounts, credit cards, assets, and income and expense categories. Think of the chart of accounts as the backbone of your bookkeeping system. Once you're on the chart of accounts page, you'll see a list of any existing accounts. To add a new one, look for the button labeled New, often near the top right of the list. Click New to create a fresh account that you can use going forward. A form will open where you can fill in the details for this account. First, choose the appropriate account type, such as bank, asset, liability, equity, income, or expense. Selecting the right type is important because it affects how your reports look and how transactions are categorized. Next, choose the detail type that best matches the nature of the account. Then enter a clear account name, like business checking or office equipment, so you and anyone else using your books can easily recognize it later. You can also add a description if you want more context, but focus on making the name straightforward and meaningful. Now let's add the opening balance. Look for the opening balance field. This is the amount that should be in this account at the moment you start tracking it in QuickBooks. For a bank account, for example, this would be the balance on your bank statement as of the start date you're using in QuickBooks. Enter that number carefully, since this will affect your starting totals. Right below that, you'll see the As of field. This is the date that the opening balance is true. Typically, you'll use the ending date from your bank statement or the date you chose as the starting point for your bookkeeping. Setting this correctly helps ensure that future reconciliations line up with your real-world statements. Once everything looks correct, click Save. QuickBooks will now create the account with the opening balance you entered, and it will be ready for you to use in your daily bookkeeping.